Hey everyone. So we have this string here. This is my name, Vipin. Okay. I want to extract the first three characters of this string. Okay. How can we do that using Fusion? So basically, we need to start from the zeroth index here, and then we have to extract until the third index. Okay. It will not include the third index. Okay. So basically, you can use a substring function. Okay. It should be something of this or substring. Um, substring will be like this, followed by the the input string. Okay, and then you need to get the first index, right? So it will be always zero. It will be the first index. Okay, the start index, sorry, the start index. Okay, and followed by the end index. So this is the format of the function. Okay, so let's see that in Fusion. Choose module, tools, set multiple variables. Okay, and let's say where input is going to be my name here, Vipin. Okay, then click add. Okay, so this is the input string. Now let's add the function here, add tools. Okay, we add a module tools and set multiple variables. Okay, where let's say where first um, three chars, right? We need to extract the first three characters of the string. How do you do that? Substring function, substring. Okay, and then we need to give the input string, followed by the start index, followed by the end index. Okay, so basically this is what we need to do there. All right, so what is the input string? Input string is going to be var input, right? And the start index is going to be what? Let's go and see this. Okay, it should start from zeroth index v, right? Zeroth index. So let's say 0. Let's add 0 there. 0. Okay, and index. So it should extract until 3. Okay, it will not include the third index. Okay, just remember that. So let's say 3. Okay, so let's see that. Let's click add. Let's click OK there. Let's save it. Okay, now let's try to run it. Okay, so here we go. So we got the first three characters. Now what if I want to extract the last three characters? Okay, how do you do that? So basically if I'm able to find the length of the string, the length of the string is going to be 5, right? It's 5 characters. And then length of the string minus, okay, I need to extract the last three characters, right? So it should be 3. Okay, minus 3. If the length of the string is 5 minus 3, okay, 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, so it will start from 2. Okay, and then extract until the fifth index. Okay, that should do the trick. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, let's add item where last three characters. Okay, last three characters. Okay, how do you get that? Let's again just do a substring function, substring. Okay, what is the format of the substring function? First parameter is going to the input, followed by start index, followed by end index. Okay, this is the format of the function, right? Now what is the input here? Input is going to be var input, right? And the start index is going to be length of the string. So how do you get the length of the string? You have a length function here. Length of the string is length of the string var input. Okay, minus. How do you get minus? Click on calculator and click on this minus symbol here, subtraction symbol, and then minus. So we need to extract the last three characters, right? So minus 3. Okay, so that should do the trick here. And the length and the end is index is going to be the length of the string. Okay, so the length of the string is going to be 5, right? So let's the length of the string of the input string, let's say, where input here. Okay, so this should do the trick. So let's click on add there. Let's click on OK. Let's save this. Okay, and let's run it. Here we go. So we got the last three characters. Okay, so this is how you use a substring function and a length function to extract the last three characters of the string. You can even extract the first three characters of the string using a simple substring function. Okay, I hope you like this video. I wish you all the best. Have a great day.